Let's be honest for a second. How many times have you said, we really need to get serious about marketing this year? Yeah, that's what every MSP says right before they go back to hoping referrals magically appear. But look, most MSPs don't have marketing systems. They have marketing intentions, but intentions don't generate leads. Systems do. You've tried the webinars, you've bought the done-for-you templates, maybe even hired that agency that promised you sales while you sleep. And what did you get out of that? No leads, no traction, no clue what's actually working. Just more noise, more wasted time, and another quarter of saying, we'll fix marketing next time. So what if you could stop guessing, and in just 3 days, you'll build, automate, and launch a complete marketing engine that actually converts a real campaign, a real automation with real results. Welcome to CharTec's Elite Marketing and Sales Automation Workshop, the only event in the MSP space where you don't just learn marketing, you build it, you automate it, and you launch it before you walk out this door. No one else teaches this because no one else can. CharTec is the only MSP educator that actually runs a multi-million-dollar MSP. You're learning this inside a live operational MSP, not some theory-laden conference room. Lock your seat for CharTec's Elite Marketing and Sales Automation Workshop and come build a marketing system that runs for you 24/7, because the MSPs who automate dominate. Build it, launch it, own it. See you in Bakersfield.